Hello, and welcome to Speak American English with Lyman Holton. My name is Lyman Holton. In this lesson, we're going to talk about American English pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's begin. Sound 31 of the 44 sounds that comprise American English. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-letter combinations to make the same sound. Now, what sound do you think we're making this time? How about or? It's about as easy as it gets, or not too complicated. So AR, they all 5 sound the same. The examples we have here, or, warm, warm, or warm. Like, it's so warm in the sun. What a nice, warm, sunny day. How about the word boar? Boar. Did you know that a male adult pig is called a boar? A boar. The mama pig is a sow. Or boar. How about OOR? We have door. Door. Open the door, walk in the room. A door. Or, plain old OR, or cork. How about on New Year's Eve, we pop the cork out of a champagne bottle to celebrate the new year. A cork. There's a cork in your wine bottle. How about ORE? Here we have a big word. Carnivore. What's a carnivore? How about an animal that eats meat? Right? Is a cow a carnivore? No, it's not a carnivore. I believe that would be a herbivore. Carnivore, a meat eater, like a lion, a tiger, a wolf. Carnivore. Are you a carnivore? Okay, here we go. 5 different letter combinations for the same sound, or. And that ends this lesson. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you at our next lesson. Goodbye for now.